To set up Google Analytics 4 correctly, it is essential to understand common issues that may arise during the process. The first step is to ensure proper tracking code installation. This involves placing the Google Analytics 4 tag in the header section of your website, typically using Google Tag Manager. Verify that the tag is firing correctly on all pages by using the Google Tag Assistant or the Debug View feature in Google Analytics 4. Another common issue is incorrect event tracking setup. Google Analytics 4 relies heavily on events to track user interactions, so it is crucial to configure events correctly. This includes setting up automatic events, such as page views and scrolls, as well as custom events, like button clicks and form submissions. Use the Events report in Google Analytics 4 to validate that events are being tracked as expected. Data retention and user identification are also critical aspects of Google Analytics 4 setup. By default, Google Analytics 4 retains data for 14 months, but this can be adjusted to 2 months or 38 months, depending on your business needs. Additionally, user identification is essential for accurate cross-device tracking, which can be achieved by using the User ID feature in Google Analytics 4. Best practices for Google Analytics 4 setup include regularly monitoring data quality, using the Google Analytics 4 debugger to identify issues, and staying up to date with the latest features and updates. It is also essential to have a clear understanding of Google Analytics 4 terminology and concepts, such as data streams, events, and parameters, to ensure accurate tracking and analysis. Common mistakes to avoid include not testing tracking code installation, not configuring events correctly, and not setting up data retention and user identification. By following best practices and being aware of common issues, you can ensure a successful Google Analytics 4 setup and make the most out of your data analysis. Regularly review and refine your setup to ensure it remains accurate and effective over time.